Welcome to our video on improving your disaster management and relief business using drones. Today, we'll explore essential resources to help you get started. First, let's dive into some must-read books. Titles like Disaster Management and Relief with Drones by A. Radham offer comprehensive insights. Next, consider tuning into informative podcasts. The Drone Show and Drone Talk cover industry news, technology, and regulations. YouTube is another great resource. Videos like Disaster Management and Relief with Drones by DJI showcase real-world applications and techniques. AI tools can significantly enhance your operations. Platforms like DJI Fly App and AirMap offer automated flight modes and real-time traffic management. For hands-on learning, various courses are available. Drone Pilot Ground School and DJI Drone Flight Training Program cover essential skills and safety procedures. Combining these resources will provide a well-rounded understanding of drone-based disaster management. Books, podcasts, videos, AI tools, and courses each offer unique benefits. Thank you for watching. We hope these resources help you enhance your disaster management and relief efforts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.